We need a revolution in our vision of our future. The COVID-19 pandemic and the climate crisis should drive home the message to all, rich and poor, weak or powerful, that their destinies are intertwined. We will perish or survive together. The concepts of geostrategic adversaries, of regional or global domination, of the political advantages of foreign intervention and occupation, and the oppression of peoples are outdated and will soon be seen as irrelevant. We need a common plan and strategy for global recovery and survival and prosperity of all humanity. In response to the recession triggered by the COVID-19 crisis, I proposed a global initiative on debt relief last April. The debt suspension announced by the G20 and the emergency lending programs of the World Bank, IMF, and others have provided some breathing space. But according to the latest estimates, the developing countries need $4.3 trillion to recover from the pandemic and achieve the SDGs.